Hey everyone, and welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today I'm going to show you how to save a ton of money and make something absolutely delicious that you're probably spending way too much on at the store. I'm talking about beef jerky. And guess what? You don't need a fancy cut of beef. We're going to make amazing jerky from something you probably already have in your fridge. Ground beef? It's so simple, and the results are just incredible. Once you try this, you'll never go back to the store-bought kind. So let's get right into it. The heart of any good jerky is the marinade, and this one is a classic. Grab a big bowl and let's add 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. To that, we're going to add our flavor powerhouses. First up, a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for that deep, savory umami kick. Next, add a little bit of liquid smoke. A teaspoon will do. This stuff is potent, but it gives you that authentic, slow-smoked flavor without a smoker. Then, for a touch of sweetness to balance everything out, we'll add some brown sugar. Now for the seasonings. We'll add a good pinch of salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and of course, freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with these. They build the foundation of the flavor. Now, get your hands in there and mix it all up really well. You want to make sure every bit of that ground beef is seasoned perfectly. The more you mix, the better the final texture will be. Once it's all combined, here comes the fun part. Take your seasoned beef mixture and place it between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Grab a rolling pin and start rolling it out. If you want to get it as thin as you can, maybe about 1/8 of an inch thick. So the thinner you roll it, the quicker it will dry and the crispier the texture will be. Once you've got a nice, thin, even sheet of beef, you can peel off the top layer of parchment paper. Use a pizza cutter or a knife to slice it into uniform strips. You can make them as wide or as narrow as you like. Now it's time to dry them out. You have a few options here. You can use a dehydrator if you have one. Just lay the strips on the trays and follow your machine's instructions for meat. Oh, you can use your oven. Set your oven to the lowest possible temperature, usually around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the strips on a wire rack placed over a baking sheet to allow for air circulation. Prop the oven door open just a crack to let moisture escape. Let them dry low and slow for a few hours. The time will vary depending on the thickness. But you're looking for them to be dry, firm, and chewy, but still a little flexible. And there you have it. It's perfect homemade beef jerky. So much cheaper than buying it. You know exactly what's in it, no weird preservatives or additives, and the flavor is just out of this world. It's the perfect high-protein snack for road trips, hikes, or just when you need a savory pick-me-up. You have to save this recipe and give it a try. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.